Powered by NationalLink.
You will need an SD card that is 2 to 4 GB to start this process. The software is located within the ATM Trader website under the Support tab. The files within the SD card should look like this. Move towards the back of the unit and unlock the top bezel. Locate and unscrew both of the screws on both sides of the ATM bezel. Locate the mainboard behind the screen. Turn off the ATM and insert the SD card into the SD card slot located towards the top of the board. At the top right of the board, locate the set of 4 dip switches. Push the number 4 dip switch down and power the ATM back on. Wait for a blue diagnostic screen to pop up, and then select SD card. Select Format and Upgrade, then select Yes. After the downloads are finished, remove the SD card and push the number 4 dip switch back up. Select Reboot. Wait for a black screen saying SW Update and let searching for SD card fail. Once the ATM screen shows SD card not found, insert the SD card again. Select SW Update and wait for the downloads to finish. After the downloads are done, the ATM will reboot on its own. After the reboot, turn off the ATM. Open the bottom vault door. Remove the SD card and turn the ATM back on. Wait for the Please Wait While Initializing screen to appear, then input Clear, left arrow, right arrow, clear, clear, cancel. Note, if it does not work the first time you input it, repeat it. The next screen should show Master Password Reset. Select Yes, and this will set the master password to the default password of 555555. Finally, press Enter, Clear, Cancel, 1, 2, 3, and log in with all 5s to verify the update went through.